Kubaho neza no kuba ahantu heza, hasa neza, ukaryama ahantu heza hashimishije, kandi byose ku giciro kiri hasi. Karemera Woodworks barabigufashamo. Bafite ibitanda byiza bigezweho bikozwe mu mbaho zikomeye kandi nziza, intebe zibereye ijisho, utubati tw'amoko yose tugezweho, bawukorera kandi ameza yo kuriraho, bawukorera kandi imitako y'amoko atandukanye mu mbaho z'ubwoko bwose, byose ku giciro cyiza. Aba rero bagira umwihariko udasanzwe yuko uzana ibikoresho byawe bishaje bahaguhinduramo ibishya ku giciro cyiza. Bagufasha kandi gutwara ibyo waguze bikageraho ari hose mu gihugu ku buntu. Wabasanga mu karere ka Nyagatare mu Gakiriro ka Karangazi. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara 0788277262. Kandi wifuza kumenya ibidasanzwe ku giti, gutera ibiti, akamaro k'igiti, byose ni muri Karemera Woodworks ugasobanukirwa. Ntibikiri ngombwa kutumiza ibicuruzwa hanze za Malaysia, Turkiya. Kutugurira no guteza imbere iby'iwacu, tugakunda iby'iwacu, made in Rwanda. Ikazi wacu ibyishimo mu muryango.
The President and the Commander-in-Chief will proceed to inspect the parade. The President and Commander-in-Chief is accompanied by Chief of Defense Forces and the parade commander. Today's 45th Tarehe Parade is commanded by Colonel Sam Nsubugarugwira, and he is assisted by Major Miriam Okelo Apio. The parade adjutant is Major Emmanuel Biaruhanga, and the parade admin is Lieutenant Colonel Richard Mpangire. The parade RSM is Warrant Officer 1 Olaso David. We have the color party under the command of Captain Patrick James Egolo, and he is assisted by Patricia Mpirwa, Lieutenant Lydia Namuenje, and Lieutenant Jonathan Isabidia. The color regiment Sergeant Major is Warrant Officer 1 Okol Thomas. The combined band of Uganda People's Defense Forces, Uganda Police Force, and Uganda Prison Service is under the command of Colonel Wilson Sentongo. He is assisted by Senior Superintendent of Police Okwi Okedi Stephen, and Superintendent of Prisons Tugume Ambrose. The parade participants are from the Uganda People's Defense Forces, the Uganda Police Force, Uganda Prisons Service, and the Uganda Wildlife Authority. Enjoy the band. The turnout of the parade participants is really impressive. Very smartly dressed officers and men of the UPDF, the Uganda Police Force, the Uganda Prison Service, and the Uganda Wildlife Authority. After the inspection of the parade by His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF, he will come to his position, and thereafter we will have a word of prayer from our religious leaders present to bless this function before we can proceed. The President is now inspecting the last segment of the parade, and that is the band. I want to take this opportunity to invite our religious leaders to move over here at the podium and give us a word of prayer. As soon as the chief guest and the president concludes his parade inspection and moves back to his position, we will have a word of prayer. We are already blessed. It's a beautiful weather. Calm, sunny, just the perfect weather conditions for a special occasion like this one. We will stand up as the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Uganda People's Defense Forces assumes his position. Your Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief, I request